And it's still recording. Well, depends if you leave it on while you're going for coffee. Well, I'm buggered. 61 minutes that's been recorded.
I am recording.
Are you?
I am now.
He's trying to hurry you up.
That's all 12 batteries changed.
It's a good job he's not a fighter pilot, isn't it? You imagine him having to scramble.
Trouble is, though, he'd hear scramble, scramble. He goes, ooh, scrambled eggs.
Oh, scrambled egg!
Well, when he's finished faffing, I'll sync up.
Oh, he's on.
Right, that one's recording. That one's recording.
Right.
And now the other one, he's switched off because he left it recording for an hour.
Right.
Left it recorded on the bike while we went in and had coffee.
Are you recording,
61
Nick?
minutes. 61 minutes later, and nobody has stolen it. Right, we're turning round, so we're going back. We're going back over the bridge.
So 12:34, 12:44, 12:1. Yeah, about 1:05 then.
See these wankers over here, look. Yes. Tossers of the highest fucking degree.
Tosser by name, tosser by nature.
Thank you.
Thank fucking good riddance they're gone, she's saying.
Yeah, wankers. Right, I haven't Google Street Viewed this at all.
Oh.
So it may well be that it's a fucking garden path.
Yeah, it's a fucking bridleway, isn't it?
Well, I always say we're not on tour until we get grass in the road.
Yeah.
Nice road surface, really, isn't it?
So I didn't look at it, I just put in a point from that bridge to the next one, which is way up the road a bit.
That's good, it's not behind us.
Very nice though, right alongside the river.
You wait, there'll be a 3-foot ford to cross in a minute.
Well, in fairness to you, Nige, it was midnight when you planned it.
Yeah. I thought, no, I'll leave that in their capable fucking hands.
Wrong.
We had a plan.
We did.
We were going to go to that pub we just stopped in.
I mean, I can't even put my Cardo in pairing mode, so planning a route.
Yeah, you've got to scroll through 68 pages of bullshit. Cool, look at that down there, look.
Should we have a nosy?
It's dead end.
Dead end.
Well, yeah, but it'd be nice to have a... Okay, we won't.
Lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah. Is it?
Like a fucking old biscuit tin lid.
Yeah.
Milton Abbas, isn't it? That's
yeah, it's
very
nice similar, too, isn't it?
Like Nigel's ever looking at the top of a biscuit tin lid, it's always off.
Looking at the bottom of the jar normally.
Is it fucking empty already?
I have to keep blaming my grandson. I said he's terrible, dear. He's always wanting more biscuits.
And then he's blaming the state of the bog on the dog.
And then he grasped me up and he says, because his nan was off yesterday as well, he came home, I picked him up from school, and he's going up to his nan going, "White chocolate please, Nanny, white chocolate." And my missus going, "Do you give him white chocolate every day?" "No, Christ no."
No, he just watches me eat white chocolate every day.
Probably the worst chocolate you can have as well, isn't it?
What, white?
Yeah. Just all sugar in it.
Sugar, palm oil.
darker the chocolate, the healthier it is. That's what I was led to believe.
I use palm oil for a totally different fucking reason.
Would you like to enlighten us on that, or?
He's thinking of Helga again.
Mind that hole.
Indicate, Steve.
Okay. I'm surprised it's working. Breakfast and coffee.
Yeah, shall we?
I couldn't do another breakfast, but I could probably do another 6 coffees.
Which I'm sure we'll do.
I had 4 pieces of fried bread. When I said no toast, I just assumed there'd be no toast.
No, double up on the
Extra
fried bread.
bread.
They like to get that grease in you.
But for £7.50, you get 2 eggs,
fine.
2 bacon, 2 sausage, 2 slices of toast, a whole slice of fried slice, beans.
And half a tin of beans.
Yeah.
See, my mate Sean said, "Oh, you're not going to eat in that cafe, are you?" Because he's a plumber and they've been doing a place there, and he said a lad at work ate there and then was off work with food poisoning.
I think we're used to it by now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're immune.
It's got to be at least a fortnight
God,
since we've
look
had
at that,
anything to eat there. Ooh.
Good God. Yes, it must be.
They're recruiting on-call firefighters, Nige.
Well,
By the time you were ready, it would have burnt itself to the ground. Well, that's either a woman driver or he's got long painted nails.
I've just had a look, and his name is Barbara.
Yes.
You're right, love. This is all the military housing. Here's the off-road mob, look. Here's the off-road mob.
They're the buggers that pulled out on us last time.
Love it.
You see him salute.
Yeah.
He got it back.
This is your 10-second warning.
Oh, here we go. Pursuit mode.
Pursuit
In-game
mode.
pursuit mode, yeah. Oh.
Oh, red flags are flying.
Yeah. Either that or it's another big pair of gunties.
Long as it ain't like them skidders that were up in that bush. They look nasty. They're the type of ones when you bit into them, they crunch. So tell me, pray tell, why is this a 50-mile-an-hour speed limit?
Just to piss people off.
Working, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fucking crazy, isn't it?
Yeah. I can understand back there where that grain store was, but all this lot, there's nothing, is there?
No.
No. And yet you get them single track ones with bushes fucking higher than we are, stood up on the bike,
Yeah.
and their national speed limit.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But the point is, I wonder how many people completely ignore the 50 anyway.
Yeah.
Probably most people.
As I always say, those who are going to break the speed limit are going to do it regardless of what number's up there.
Yeah.
I know nothing of what you speak. I'm a law-abiding citizen.
Welcome to Shrewton. Please drive with care.
Fuck off.
Go on, see if you can get 29 again.
Go on.
Yeah! For some reason, I was only doing 25 and I'm right behind you.
Yeah, but our radar signature was blocked by the GS, wasn't it?
Oh, so,
Coffee shop. Saturday and Tuesday. How fucking random.
That is a little bit, isn't it?
Thank you.
Mind you,
that's in a religious building, so Nige would just burn as he went across the threshold.
Turn into dust. Turn into devil dust.
Oh dear.
Hey, you're getting plenty of fucking footage for your cough montage anyway.
60 minutes of pure ASMR coughing.
There it is.
You wait till I get me flu jab.
Yeah.
There's your overnight jailhouse.
Yeah.
But I'm going to be law-abiding and go right round that little mini roundabout.
Yeah.
Playtime.
Lovely road.
Exactly.
Potholes. There's a bus coming.
As long as he's on his side of the road.
Exactly. Yeah.
Oh, imagine living there, like, lovely. Only one neighbour to piss off.
And you'd manage it.
It's like you're saying that, you know, you can stick to the speed limit and still enjoy a road like this, can't you?
Yeah. Much more fun if you go over it, though.
I see they've got the signs up for Nige, tank crossing.
This is a nice sweeper.
Nice view, isn't it?
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. 29 that. Oh.
Get in
20,
there.
oh.
That was because it was measuring your split personality. One was doing 29 and one was doing 28.
Normal, psycho, normal, psycho.
Sorry for that, well, them bloody lights were dazzling it again. You don't need much in life, do you? Some great roads and a few 100cc.
And a ditch pump.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, like another kite.
Each to their own.
Oh, look
Very
at them.
nice, is it?
Look at them. Look, 6 or 7 of them. Beautiful. They're all after that bit of roadkill in the road.
Yeah.
Ooh, tank reserve level reached.
Hey,
Tank reserve level reached.
Did you not
don't
fill
got
up
any
this
fuel in
morning?
it.
No.
Of course he didn't.
We clear.
Yeah,
Car's coming.
I'm through.
he's alright. Here he goes, he's hunting, look. You can see he's hunting that fucking Polestar.
Never.
Every time we go out, Nick, you're more and more in tune to his sinking, aren't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
I know nothing of what you speak.
Any minute now it's going to go, you're having it, you bastard.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's that time of the week when I say, you never know, Nick might surprise us one week and come on the live stream.
You never know.
I think I fucking do.
Yeah, there'll be a no.
It's nothing personal.
You just
Oh,
don't
hang
fucking
on,
like
Steve's
us.
got a mate behind him.
I have, yeah.
Got a what? A mate?
Yeah. He's trying to mount him, I think.
I wonder. Nah, you bastard.
You wanted to get out before
Steve,
these three,
a
didn't you?
decent bloke will go out in the road and hold everybody up for us. Go in.
Cheers, wankers.
Oh, fuck 'em then.
It's a Honda Jazz. I take it back, look. I
He
take
let
it
you
back. I know. He didn't.
No.
So we're going here. This dives to the right when you come over here. We'll have the usual coffee stop at the BP garage.
Very nice.
Did someone say coffee?
Yes.
It was only 11 quid for 3 coffees in that pub.
Was it?
Yeah.
Did you say, well, why are you up in the hundreds for 2 fucking toasties and chips?
Exactly. What was it, 42 quid?
48 quid.
But what you didn't hear Steve say to him was you say, that's very reasonable. That bloke paid 21 quid for some coke.
And she said, oh, is that fucking idiot on YouTube?
Yeah, look, just when I need to see the map, Alex puts a message in the group.
Well, I've got
and
straight
covers
ahead.
Well, mine hasn't pinged up.
No, I've got straight ahead.
Yeah, so have I.
Yeah, it's a little one-way bit,
Oh,
and it
up for sale.
comes out on the main
Sorry.
road up here.
I don't know why I'm getting excited. A pub for sale. I don't want to go back into that game.
No.
It's fucking hard graft.
Oh.
Oh, look at Jazz.
Not only that, Steve, did you really want customers coming in and imagining you in fucking leather thigh-high boots, a mask and a whip?
And a fucking leather cap.
Yeah.
Well, you might have just changed my mind there, Nick. maybe it would be a good idea.
See, Nick, we'll have you out, and we'll still have you home in time to lick the trifle bowl after Mum's made your trifle.
Exactly.
How many fucking connotations can you make out of that? Licking the trifle bowl. I've just seen a fucking horse trotting down the main road.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, it's coming this way.
Now, Nigel, you picturing that horse in thigh-high boots?
I'm just one of them better ears.
What, in leather?
No, I could do with a crash helmet with ears like that. At least I'd get mine in then, wouldn't
It was nice getting fuel. Or is this...
We are.
I? Are you having a
I
coffee
don't
as
need
well?
any.
And this is where we have coffee.
Yeah.
So you got a distinct advantage, because your mirrors don't move with your handlebars, do they?
Oh no. Well, let me grab your ass.
Grab your ass. Steady on, matron.
That'll do you.
What makes me think that's going in Nigel's video?
I'll tell you what, it's lovely and smooth, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
What is that?